distill down some kind of key actionable points in terms of what would be your top tips for running more effective lead gen campaigns on LinkedIn, and also keeping the cost down, because LinkedIn can be incredibly expensive, I think, as most people will know.
Yes. So I do think LinkedIn is great for B2B. As you can be very targeted with the audience. You can based on like job titles, job functions, industry, company size, etc. So I do think they're very, very expensive. Like if you're gonna run LinkedIn ads, they're so expensive. So I tend to recommend it only when the business has enough budget that they can allocate to that channel. But this also means that you need to have a content that is like it's standing out and you can capture users' attention. In the past, I found webinars doing quite well on LinkedIn, better than any like downloadable sort of content. But I'll be honest, I haven't run LinkedIn ads in the last 3-4 months or so.
Mm-hmm.
But from what I've seen and what I've read, the algorithm is currently it's shifting towards favoring more sponsored content. So it
For
might
sure.
be better timing to give it another shot and try again, because your ads will probably be seen more often than they used to. But you need to remember that LinkedIn is still like a social media platform, and you're reaching users while they're scrolling their feed. They're not looking for a solution. So just offering a demo to a cold audience will not get you the best results. But yes, as far as like tips and tricks, make sure that you have implemented conversion tracking. Uh, you need to basically install the LinkedIn Insight tag. Um, Not just rely on clicks and engagement metrics that you see within the LinkedIn platform. Uh, and also, when running LinkedIn ads, businesses need to be prepared to test different ad formats and messaging until you can find what works for their offering. Like, there's no one solution to all of the businesses. You need to be ready to spend a lot of money to test a lot of different things: image ads, video ads. It could be just text ads. Uh, so basically, test, try to be able to push whatever you see works for your business and for your audience. It's
Mm.
not one solution for all, unfortunately.
Yeah, it'd be so much easier if it was, but then we'd have less stuff to talk about on the podcast. So, thanks for watching this clip from the Paid Media Lab. If you found it useful, you can get the full-length episode on the Lunio YouTube channel, where you can also subscribe to catch all our latest releases. And if you want free tools, reports, and guides to help you uplift the efficiency of your PPC campaigns, head to lunio.ai and click on the Resources tab in the navbar. See you in the next one.